Your school business decision making sucks, and I will prove it to you. Let me ask you 3 questions. Be honest. When you need to make a real business decision to scale your school community, let's say a new course, a price change, a new offer, how do you actually decide? Do you know why your members are staying or why they're churning? Do you know which of your courses they're actually watching or finishing? Do you know who your real ICP is, their age, location, and actual spending power? Here's the truth. If you can't answer those with real numbers, you have a data problem, and it's the reason why you're not scaling. Skool doesn't give you this data. Nobody does. Here's the reality of running a school community. You're building a real business, launching courses, creating content, and building offers. But you're doing it completely blind. You don't know which courses actually drive sales. You don't know where students quit your courses or why. You don't know if your churn is coming from free students that never convert or paying members who actually lose interest. You don't know who your actual buyer is, their age, where they live, what they earn, what they clicked on before they paid you. So every single course you build, every piece of content you produce, and every offer you create are essentially guesses. And that's exactly why school communities plateau. Not because the product is bad, but because you have no data and don't know what to fix. Think about what that's actually costing you. You launch a new course and it underperforms. Was it the topic, the price, the title, the audience? You don't know. You just try something else. You lose 20 members this month. Was it the content, quality, onboarding, or community engagement? You don't know. You just hope next month is better. You want to scale, but you can't scale what you can't measure. And right now, you can't measure anything. Every month without data is another month of wrong decisions stacking up. This is not a content problem. This is not a marketing problem. This is a data problem, and it is your single biggest bottleneck. Want to know what's even worse? Skool collects all this data. Your members generate it every single day. Yet, you have zero access to it. My name is Eddie. I'm the co-founder of Ultimate Editors, a Skool community that generated over $500,000 in revenue. We hit the same wall. We were stuck, but we had no idea what was actually driving growth or what was actually killing it. So I personally used my data science skills and built a full end-to-end data system from scratch that uncovered all the data we've been missing. I'm not a business guy who hired someone to do this. No, I'm an expert. I built it myself and I ran it in our own community first. Here's what it uncovered and how it applies to your school community. We found out what students are actually buying for, exactly which courses to produce next. We identified our real ICP, exactly who to target and how. So every piece of content lands on the right person. The perfect next offer to build based on what your audience actually wants. And finally, the contact info for every student to upsell to our higher ticket program. This data changed how we run the entire business. We scaled from $5,000 a month to over $50,000 a month school community. And the single biggest thing that made that happen wasn't a new funnel, it wasn't better content, it wasn't more ads, it was data. I turned that entire system into a fully done-for-you service, completed in 3 phases, delivered fully to you in less than a single week. Phase 1, we start with a 100% free call, a deep dive consultation into your business. We find your blind spots, identify the exact data you're missing, and build a plan that is custom built for your specific community. Phase 2, our engineers get to work, relocate and extract every single data point hidden inside your school. Member behavior, course engagement, ICP, all of it. Data that Skool collects but has never shown you. We find it, clean it, and make sure it's 100% accurate. Phase 3, we build your report. Every data point gets visualized. Graphs, diagrams, rankings, ICP breakdowns, targeting maps, and students map to their course interest. And we walk you through all of it in a strategy call so you leave knowing exactly what to do next. The final deliverables is a 100+ slide data audit. Your real data extracted, visualized, and analyzed. You walk away with clear next steps you can act on immediately. At Data for Schoolers, we prioritize quality over quantity every single time. Because of that, we only take on a small number of communities per month. If you're watching this now, chances are there are still spots available and you should act now. Because once they're gone, the next opening is going to be next month at a higher price. If you're serious about scaling your Skool community, click the button below, book your 100% free consulting call. No pitch, no pressure. We get on a call, I understand your business, and I tell you exactly what your data can unlock. You get your full data audit in less than a single week. Click the button, book your call, I'll see you there. Remember, your data already exists, you just can't see it.